Okay, so to explain a little bit about what is happening right now is that we've added our liquid ingredients that has the active yeast into our flour mixture that also has the salt. Now the salt acts a little bit like a security guard or police. So basically what's happened is that we've created an environment where it's a warm environment for the yeast to wake up. Then we added sugar, which is the food. So now the yeast is ready to have a party, right? It's ready to get all on down and have a great time. But the thing is that with everything, you always have to have a little bit of a control. So this is where the salt comes in. And the salt is what we call an inhibitor. And the salt actually creates a controlled environment. So it's basically saying, yes, yeast, go ahead, have a good time, but don't go overboard. So that is the reason why we have salt in our bread mixture.